No, I don't know.
This is a power plant.
Power plant?
Power plant.
Oh, power plant. Oh my gosh, it's
This
generating
is one-
energy, right?
This is the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. See that?
Atlantic. Yes, right. This directly goes to America, right?
Yeah.
Oh
There
my.
are many. There are 2 or 3 power plant.
Oh my god.
That one I show you. That's the port, Finnish port.
Oh, actually, it's like the geothermal energy or what?
This energy used in the electricity.
Electricity, right? Ah, I got
This
it.
is the one. Many here. Portugal have many there.
That is very, very big site.
Yeah, nice. Very clear.
That's very clear. To whom you are busy right